2021 is a new year. Because 2020, that never happened, so.
I got ice cream. So show your ice cream, go like that. Yeah.
It's a tiny spoon.
Mine looks like there's blood in it. Have you seen a thing on TikTok where you get Gushers and like tahini and all those spicy stuff?
Yes, and they sell them.
I made my own.
Was it
My
good?
tummy hurt so bad after it. I was in the bathroom for like 2 hours. It hurt so bad.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, I can't say my guy's name in here because my plan
Neither can I.
is that I'm going to find him and me and him, like, I'm gonna make him fall in love with me once I hit the age of 18. So he can't know that, like, I was a fan before.
It's fine.
I'll tell him after the I do's.
I am the one, the way your son don't need the...
He's gonna want a divorce after.
Oh, fine then.
Hey.
Hello.
I like teachers.
You know, why don't you like teachers?
Well, because I did this in class once with her phone. And yeah, and then I got a certificate for being too nice. And then in kindergarten, I got a certificate for talking too much.
You must be very skilled. Okay.
Hey.
It's fine, it's fine.
It's fine. Play Shawn Mendes.
Shawn Mendes,
No,
what
don't.
does he play?
No,
There's
no,
nothing
no, no,
holding me back. She takes.
Don't play Shawn Mendes, play Kurt Cobain.
Who's
It was
that?
at this moment that he knew. He
Thank
fucked
you.
up.
What do you think about his death?
No, I think about his death.
Yeah.
That bitch Courtney did it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hola, soy Dora.
What should we get?
I don't know. I've never been here
I'm
before.
gonna get it spicy.
I
A
like
spicy
dollars,
chicken
I
sandwich
like
and then
diamonds,
butter.
I like sun, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. This is my pen, bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jewelers. I put rocks all in my watch. I like Texas for my exes. Second chance.
Where you guys from? America?
Yes.
We're from
California.
Italy.
Yeah, my jeez.
What about you, brother?
From England, mate.
Oh,
England?
Very nice.
Do
Very
you like
nice.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter? I love
Famous Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Oh yeah.
Harry Potter.
I don't even think they gave us this special sauce.
Oh my god, you're right.
How? They didn't give us special sauce. Oh wait, no, it's in here. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Mmm. Ha! It's kind of spicy.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, it is so spicy. She got like the hot cluck one. I got regular.
That's what I'm like. How is it spicy for you?
Oh my gosh, this is like worse. This is like Takis on steroids. Like the people make it, whoever just eats this with. She's drinking soda with it. She's rolling on Molly. Jeez.
It's good.
Oh my gosh. I can't do it. My heart burns. Oh my gosh. It's so spicy.
I can't believe it's spicy for you.
Oh my god. Stop making me laugh.
Okay.